Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to view sensitive content on Twitter using your Android device. If you are getting that these media may contain sensitive material, message, and you want to view it, here is how you can fix that. First, open the Twitter app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to open the sidebar menu. Scroll down until you see Settings and Support. Tap on it, and then tap Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Privacy and Safety from the Settings option. Under Privacy and Safety, select Content you see. Here you will find an option to display media that may contain sensitive content. Simply toggle it on. If you want to see sensitive content in your search results as well, scroll down to Search Settings and uncheck the box that says Hide Sensitive Content. Once you have done that, you are all set. Sensitive content will now be visible as you browse through your feed and search results. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. See you next time.